Do you have more than one pet and find yourself having to use several bowls to keep them hydrated? If so, keep watching. Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I'm here to tell you that helping your pets with proper hydration and giving them filtered, fresh water has never looked better than with the Drinkwell Stainless Multi-Pet Fountain. The stainless steel fountain uses dual filtration with an activated carbon filter that absorbs basic elements like chlorine from regular tap water, and a foam filter to catch hair and debris to give your pet cleaner, better tasting water. The Drinkwell Stainless Multi-Pet Fountain's circular design is perfect for multiple pet households, and the free-falling streams of water encourage your pets to drink more. With its interchangeable spout rings, you can create up to 5 individual free-flowing drinking streams. This fountain is made of stainless steel, which is hygienic for your pets. This fountain is also top shelf, dishwasher safe. Give all of your pets a convenient supply of fresh, filtered water with the Drinkwell Stainless Multi-Pet Fountain. Until next time, I'm Tiffany. Thanks for watching.